Use the matched charger to fully charge the batteries. Flashing indicator means it is charging. Install one battery tightly into the robot. Press and hold the power button to start the robot. When remote is not paired, it will flash yellow light. Twist anti-clockwise the rotary knob to unfold the side brushes. Insert the hose support into the support base. Connect the hose to the inlet of the robot through the adapter, and use the strap to secure the hose to the support. Select a water pump. Connect the hose to the outlet of the pump. Make sure there is sufficient water supply at the inlet of the pump. Turn on the water pump. Press and hold the power button to turn on the remote. Wait for the robot and remote to pair automatically. Press and hold the forward button. The robot will go forward. Forward is disabled in constant speed mode. Press and hold the backward button. The robot will move backwards. In constant speed mode, a short press sets the speed to 0. Press and hold the left turn button to rotate the robot to the left. Press and hold the right turn button to rotate the robot to the right. Short press the mode button to switch to different modes. A short press will increase the speed level by 1. Press and hold the forward and backward buttons simultaneously to cross over gaps up TP 20 cm wide. After finishing cleaning, remove the 3 mud boxes and rinse out the sand and dirt in the boxes, as well as the remaining dirt on the roller brushes. Unscrew the filter from the robot. Rinse the impurities off the filter elements. Then wipe the sensors on both the front and rear sides. Install the mud boxes back and fold the side brushes. At last, raise the robot higher so that the bristles will not be deformed.